Are you ready to transform your Chevy Silverado 2500HD into the ultimate powerhouse? Look no further. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of tonneau covers, unveiling the best options that not only protect your gear, but also enhance your truck's style and functionality. Whether you crave durability, sleek design, or unbeatable security, we've got you covered. Say goodbye to the hassle of weather damage and theft, and hello to a world of convenience and confidence. Join us as we review the top-rated tonneau covers, packed with expert tips and real user insights. Don't miss out on maximizing your truck's potential. Watch till the end for an exclusive offer. Let's hit the road with style. Number 7. Whale Motor Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ideal accessory for your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 2500/3500HD 2020 to 2025 6.9 foot box. This custom-fit cover is designed for easy integration with your multi-flex tailgate, offering a snug and secure fit that enhances your truck's functionality. The hassle-free installation process requires no tools, allowing you to set up in no time. Featuring a convenient soft roll-up design, accessing your truck bed is a breeze, making loading and unloading items quick and efficient. Crafted from high-quality vinyl and alloy steel, this tonneau cover boasts exceptional durability and weather resistance, ensuring your cargo remains protected from the elements. Plus, its aerodynamic shape helps reduce wind drag, significantly improving fuel efficiency, saving you money on gas. The package includes 2 side rails, 6 mounting clamps, a weather strip, a soft roll-up cover, and a robust 36-month warranty. Elevate your truck experience with the best tonneau cover for Chevy Silverado 2500HD, combining style, security, and functionality effortlessly. Number 6. Motorbox Soft Roll-Up Truck Tonneau Cover for Chevy Silverado 2500HD and GMC Sierra 2500HD 2014 to 2018 is a game-changer for truck enthusiasts. This cover, featuring a stylish flag design, provides ultimate protection for your truck bed with its durable aluminum exterior finish. It bravely faces the elements while keeping your cargo dry and safe. The fully waterproof design shields against rain, snow, and dust, ensuring your belongings remain secure. What sets the Motorbox cover apart is its heavy-duty latches and locks that guarantee reliability during transportation. Its sleek and aerodynamic design not only enhances your truck's appearance, but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency. Plus, the easy installation process means you can set it up without any drilling or special tools, making it a hassle-free experience. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for Chevy Silverado 2500HD, look no further. Motorbox has you covered. Experience convenience and style with this top-notch truck bed cover that simplifies your adventures on the road. Number 5. Osobak 6 feet 9 inches soft roll-up tonneau cover is the perfect solution for 2020 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 2500HD and 3500HD owners looking for optimal functionality and style. Crafted from heavy-duty 25 ounces dual-coated vinyl, this tonneau cover offers impressive durability against UV, tear, and water damage. Installation is a breeze, taking just 15 to 20 minutes without any drilling required. It fits directly over your truck bed rails with quick clamps, ensuring a secure fit. The aluminum alloy frame provides sturdy support, while the full weather seal allows you to drive confidently in adverse conditions, keeping your cargo protected from snow, dust, and rain. An innovative tension system tightens the cover, enhancing both security and aerodynamics, which can lead to a 10% improvement in gas mileage. With its sleek design, the Osobak Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is not just a protective accessory. It's the best tonneau cover for your Chevy Silverado 2500HD, combining functionality, ease of use, and a stylish finish. Number 4. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate enhancement for your 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500, as well as 2015 to 2019 2500HD and 3500HD models. This cover's sleek design not only adds a stylish touch, but also offers robust protection with its dual-coated, heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl exterior, built with aviation-grade aluminum frames and equipped with stainless steel clamps. It ensures easy installation and long-term durability. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide reliable support while allowing full bed access when needed. With a no-drill installation process, this tonneau cover requires minimal effort to set up, though a small modification may be necessary for over-the-bedrail bed liners. Plus, you can purchase with confidence, as Tiger Auto offers a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers. For the best tonneau cover for your Chevy Silverado 2500HD, look no further than the Tiger Auto T3, reliable, stylish, and perfectly designed for your needs. Number 3. OEDRO Soft Quad Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a game-changer for owners of 2020 to 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500HD and GMC Sierra 2500HD with a 6.9-foot bed. This innovative cover features a quad-fold design that maximizes usability and provides robust support with its 4 built-in horizontal crossbars. Made from heavy-duty double-layer PVC, it ensures excellent UV protection and impressive tensile strength, safeguarding your cargo against the elements. Installation is a breeze, no extra tools are required, and careful instructions guarantee that even beginners can enjoy a hassle-free setup. The pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps add to its stability, ensuring your cover stays secure. Plus, its aerodynamic design not only provides a sleek appearance, but also enhances gas mileage, making it a smart choice for energy-conscious drivers. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for Chevy Silverado 2500HD, the OEDRO Soft Quad Fold is the perfect addition to your truck, combining style, strength, and ease of use. Number 2. High Wolf brings you the ultimate solution for your truck with the FRP Hard Tri Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Perfectly designed for 2007 to 2018 Chevy Silverado / GMC Sierra 1500 and 2007 to 2019 2500HD / 3500HD with a 6.6-foot bed, boasting a honeycomb core construction. This cover offers maximum security and impact resistance, protecting your belongings against theft and damage during off-road adventures. With a 500 pounds weight capacity, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions. The premium upgraded EPDM seals and a unique drainage hinge system ensure your cargo stays dry and safe from elements. Installation is a breeze with quick lock and release clips, making it easy to access your truck bed without any complex tools or drilling. Whether you're heading to work or embarking on a weekend camping trip, High Wolf has your back with a 3-year warranty for added peace of mind. Discover why this is the best tonneau cover for Chevy Silverado 2500HD, providing durability, practicality, and reliable performance for any truck owner. Number 1. Rough Country Hard Flip-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a must-have for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 2500HD / 3500HD 2020 to 2025 owners. This sleek, low-profile design features durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum panels and a tri-fold setup that allows for quick cargo access. With its auto-latching system, the cover secures effortlessly with a simple squeeze, offering one-handed operation when needed. Enjoy hassle-free installation with the secure track and rail mounting system, no drilling required, and all necessary tools are included, whether you're driving with the cover fully open, 2/3 open, or completely closed. You can trust that your belongings are protected from the elements, thanks to the all-weather design. Plus, with Rough Country's USA customer support and a limited 5-year replacement warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. It's no wonder this tonneau cover is rated among the best tonneau covers for Chevy Silverado 2500HD. Elevate your truck's functionality and style today. In conclusion, choosing the best tonneau cover for your Chevy Silverado 2500HD can enhance both functionality and style, providing added security and improved fuel efficiency. Whether you prioritize durability, ease of installation, or aesthetics, there's a perfect option out there for you. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below.